Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: monitor model, cable type, and refresh rate. Once done, change your OS display and GPU control panel to the monitor's native refresh rate. 60 versus 144 Hz matters. Make sure to use DisplayPort or certified high-speed HDMI. Low-quality cables introduce latency. Close resource-heavy background apps and set your power plan to high performance. You're reducing input path variability and reserving CPU/GPU headroom, so the next steps will act on a clean baseline. You now focus on detailed execution. Update the GPU driver with a clean install to remove old profiles that can cause stutter. Once installed, open your GPU control panel and disable legacy VSync in favor of adaptive sync, G-Sync or FreeSync, if your monitor supports it, because adaptive sync reduces micro-stutter. Make sure game settings don't cap frames far below refresh. A slight frame cap above or at refresh keeps latency consistent. Tweak buffering to single or 1/2 to lower input lag while watching for tear. You finish by validating results and preparing fallback options. Run a simple latency test or in-game benchmark to compare before and after numbers, log observations. If lag worsens, roll back to the previous stable driver or swap to a known good cable. Sometimes a new driver or faulty cable causes regressions. Once done, reset the monitor to factory settings and try alternate input ports like DP1. 2 versus DP1. 4. If problems persist. The key troubleshooting tip is to isolate components one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.